Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today in the Hamptons. And for this project, I'm doing existing conditions of the interior and exterior, which includes floor plans, RCPs, electrical plans, and exterior elevations. Normally, I take a peek inside at my project sites, but this is such a great location that I'm just going to focus on the outside and showing you what I'm doing. Jogging around the back here. I really like the landscaping, and then they have their, here's the rear of the house. They have a second story deck up here, and neighbor. And they have a pathway down to the marshland, and I believe there's actually water there where you could have a small boat. So this is what I'm working on today, and I just wanted to show you around quickly. Thank you for viewing my video, and if you're ever in need of existing condition drawings, whether it's in the city, tri-state area, or upstate, or the Hamptons, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime, and have a fantastic day.